Quick keto breakfast ideas. These quick keto breakfast ideas are perfect for when you're wanting a healthy breakfast on busy mornings. It can be tricky coming up with low carb and ketogenic diet friendly breakfast ideas day after day and week after week. Especially when you're not entirely sure what you can have for breakfast on keto. You'll find that these easy keto breakfast recipes include loads of different ways to enjoy breakfasts with and without eggs that you can rotate through the week, especially when you're short on time in the mornings. The best part is that all of the keto recipes are full of healthy fats and low in grams of carbs. Here are all the quick keto breakfast recipes that are filled with a selection of favorite foods that every breakfast lover will enjoy. 1. Cheesy fried eggs. I'm starting these best keto breakfast recipes with the breakfast I enjoy most often, cheesy fried eggs, which is my favorite for good reason. You enjoy a plate with a perfectly fried egg or two with a crisp, cheesy base. To make my perfect keto breakfast, heat coconut oil, olive oil or butter in a frying pan, then sprinkle over a couple of handfuls of grated cheese, crack over an egg or two per person and a shake or two of salt or black pepper. Cook until the eggs are done to your liking and the cheese is crisp and gooey. You can serve with a portion of sautéed spinach to balance the richness of the cheesy breakfast. 2. Irish scrambled eggs. I've been living in Ireland for a number of years now, and these Irish scrambled eggs were the first recipe I experimented with when arriving here. They are the best scrambled eggs you'll ever experience and are perfect with a simple side of smoked salmon. To make Irish scrambled eggs, melt butter and a couple of tablespoons of cream in your frying pan. When hot, pour in 2 to 3 whisked eggs per person and cook, scrambling along the way, until you have fluffy eggs that are done to your liking. 3. Omelette. Omelets are another breakfast I enjoy regularly. And usually my fillings of choice are cheese and mushrooms. But you could swap in your low-carb fillings of choice. Start slicing mushrooms and half to 1 onion and frying them until reduced down and cooked to your liking. Remove to a bowl until needed. Whisk 2 to 3 eggs per person with a splash of cream. Heat the frying pan again and cook until set. Then add in the cooked mushrooms and grated cheese. Fold over the omelette and cook until the cheese has melted and omelette cooked through. 4. Keto breakfast casserole. This easy keto breakfast idea is a hearty make-ahead vegetarian breakfast casserole that's packed full of healthy low-carb vegetables, protein-rich eggs and flavorful feta cheese. 5. Low-carb tortilla. You can fill a plain omelet with your choice of low-carb fillings, then roll it up and enjoy like a tortilla. Some of my favorite fillings are avocado, sour cream, grated cheese, spinach, any leftover meat, salami or a combination of keto-friendly ingredients. Which keto breakfast idea do you think is perfect? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for our future updates. Thank you for watching.